Hello friends, Marcy here. Just got home from work and found I received something in the mail that I wasn't expecting until Saturday, so what a pleasant surprise. And I have here my A5 Pemberley Caspian because I want to do a color comparison with the blue. And let me get in here quickly and carefully. I was able to secure, oh my goodness, look at how close that is. It's amazing. I was able to secure the new Waypoint Starry Night, I think it's called. And I wanted to put them side by side and compare. Because this is a Waypoint leather. The pebbling is Waypoint. The softness is Waypoint. Look how gorgeous that is on the inside. And the thread is really bright blue. So this looks quite dark. I'm in my home office the sun's going down. I'm trying to capture enough bright sunlight to compare these, but I'm just excited about this. Excited because it's Waypoint, and I just moved back into Waypoint Pocket, so you can tell the pebbling is very similar here, and that's something else I wanted to show. Not only compare my Starry Night Waypoint to my Caspian Pemberley, which they look very similar, but show the texture on my Waypoint Nano, how it's just nearly gone. This is my little wallet. I have my wallet card insert inside, and I carry it all the time, and it's like smooth. And I've just wondered, some texture in the back. Just wondering if anyone else is finding that with your Waypoints. What do your Waypoints look like? Are they as gorgeous as this? It's like, oh my goodness. Considered maybe getting one of the new colors in a Nano later, maybe after the first of the year, but I don't know. I'm so in love with this, the way it's wearing. It's just beautiful. Anyway, just wanted to do some color and texture comparisons. Sorry about the light. Okay, I'm inserting a quick edit. I forgot to mention, I got this on Buy Sell Trade on Tuesday, and was fortunate to find it. I didn't even know that the Starry Nights were being sold used already, Buy Sell Trade. But this is a narrow size. I've never had a narrow size. I'm actually new to wide in the Planner Perfect. But I purchased the narrow when I saw it on Buy Sell Trade with intentions of using my devotional kits that I'm getting, a new monthly subscription from By the Well for God. So they're coming in a narrow size, and I purchased this to house my devotionals that I'll be working in. So just a little quick edit and information and my why. And again, thank you for joining me. Have a blessed day.